In this video, we're going to show you our favourite uses for Zoflora. With so many raving reviews on social media and the praise of Mrs Hinch, we thought we'd put the popular disinfectant to the test. Later in this video, we've got an amazing competition where you could win a Zoflora Cleaning Bundle. Keep watching so you don't miss out. My name's Jo and I'm from Expert Home Tips, the first place you should turn if you want to learn about DIY, home management and more. Don't forget to subscribe so that you never miss out on the latest life hacks. Let's begin by asking, what is Zoflora? Zoflora is a versatile concentrated disinfectant that you can use all around your home. It claims to kill 99.9% of bacteria and viruses, eliminating foul odours with a freshening power that will last 24 hours. We love Zoflora because it removes smells at the source instead of masking them. Zoflora comes in a range of fragrances, including seasonal scents. You can buy Zoflora in most major supermarkets, as well as places like Amazon, B&M, Boots and Superdrug. If you can't get your hands on Zoflora, some alternatives include Dettol and Fabulosa. Our personal favourites are Pink Grapefruit, Linen Fresh and Twilight Garden. What about the dangers of using Zoflora? We hope it goes without saying, but with any cleaning product you should always read the label for guidance on how to use it and the dangers involved. These are the main do's and don'ts when using Zoflora. Number 1. Zoflora is a highly flammable liquid and vapour. Be sure to keep it well away from heat, open flames or ignition sources. You should never use Zoflora in electrical appliances like irons, vacuums or diffusers. Number 2. Zoflora causes serious eye and skin irritation and is toxic if swallowed. Be sure to wear protective equipment like gloves and take care with use. Number 3. Always keep Zoflora away from children and pets. Do not allow pets to walk on or lick surfaces wet with Zoflora, even if diluted. And finally, number 4 is don't mix Zoflora with other products. Now let's get started with how to use Zoflora. There are a couple of ways to do it. The rule of thumb for disinfection of surfaces is to dilute it 1 in 40 with water. For example, add 1 capful or 10 ml for every 400 ml of water. You can use this dilution in a bucket or transfer it to a spray bottle for ease of use. You can also use Zoflora undiluted, but only on ceramic or metal sinks, drains and toilet bowls. Whilst Zoflora can be used all around the home, you should avoid using it on polished wood, composite granite and surfaces that have been painted or varnished. It's also not recommended for use on concrete or patios. Next, we're going to show you some of our favourite places to use Zoflora. Up first is the welcome mat. If you're worried your house might smell, give guests a good first impression as they enter your hallway by spritzing a little Zoflora right by the door. Spray a diluted solution onto the mat and leave to dry. Speaking of smells, let's tackle stinky shoes. Lightly spray a piece of kitchen roll with diluted Zoflora and place inside smelly shoes, pressing down slightly. Leave to dry overnight and your shoes will smell amazing. Discarding the used kitchen roll in your bin will also help keep those odours at bay, making this a great 2-in-1 hack. So how else can you use Zoflora on the kitchen bin? You can use your spray to wipe waste and recycling bins inside and out, not forgetting the lid. Number 4 is to clean the fridge freezer. To kill bacteria and get rid of those horrific fridge odours, use a diluted solution of Zoflora and wipe down your fridge freezer inside and out. Just make sure to rinse the shelves and drawer with clean water before putting food back in the fridge. Next, use it on your worktops. Kitchens are a hotbed for bacteria. Spray a diluted solution of Zoflora onto surfaces and wipe with a cloth. Just don't use it on chopping boards, Zoflora perfumes will taint food. Number 6 is to try it on cupboard doors. Use a spray bottle filled with diluted Zoflora to wipe down cupboards inside and out. Don't forget to clean the handles. What about your kitchen tap? Think about how much bacteria is lurking there. It's so easy to clean, just wipe with a diluted solution of Zoflora. Let's not forget about the sink. Keep your sink ready for washing up by disinfecting it regularly. We like to pop the plug in, add a couple of capfuls of Zoflora and then fill the sink with hot water. You can even add your sponges and cloths to the water to disinfect them. Leaving the water for a few minutes will give your home a wonderful fragrance. Now onto the living room, starting with the remote control. Spray a small amount of diluted Zoflora onto a piece of kitchen roll or a cloth. Carefully wipe the remote, cleaning and disinfecting the buttons. You can use this same technique to clean computer keyboards and telephone handsets. You just need to make sure that the cloth isn't dripping wet and that you don't use it on screens or touchpads. Did you know that you can even use it on fake flowers? We love this clever Zoflora hack. Bring fake flowers to life by spraying them with a diluted solution. The bouquet scent would work perfectly for this. Number 11 is to use Zoflora on shelves. You can damp dust them with a diluted solution of Zoflora, just be sure not to use on polished wood. We have a dedicated video on reducing dust in your home, so be sure to watch that next. Now for using Zoflora in the bathroom, beginning with the shower. Damp places are full of bacteria. Spray your shower with diluted Zoflora and wipe it down with a cloth. You can also remove the shower head and soak it in a bucket of diluted Zoflora. Would you have thought of this Zoflora cleaning tip? How about using disinfectant to clean your toilet? Make your bathroom smell amazing with this easy Zoflora cleaning trick. Pour 2 capfuls of undiluted Zoflora into the toilet bowl and use your toilet brush to spread it around. What a great way to disinfect your home. Can you use Zoflora in your washing machine? The answer is yes. Clean your washing machine with Zoflora by wiping down the outside with a cloth and your diluted disinfectant. Clean the inside of the machine by pouring 2 capfuls into the drum and running a hot cycle. We have one final hack when it comes to using Zoflora around your home. Make a sensory experience in your house by using a different Zoflora scent for cleaning in each room. It's so simple but makes a big impact. That's all of our favourite Zoflora uses. There are countless more. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. To see even more ways to use Zoflora, head to our website experthometips.com. We've left a link in the description box below. Alternatively, you can learn about other Mrs Hinch approved products like the pink stuff and soda crystals by checking out our Hinching playlist. If you've watched this far, you could be in luck. This month we're giving one lucky viewer the chance to win a Zoflora Cleaning Bundle. The bundle includes 3 500ml bottles, 2 250ml bottles, a pair of marigold gloves and a couple of spray bottles. All you need to do is leave a comment on this video telling us a clever use for Zoflora. The winner will be chosen at random. The competition closes at 11 AM on Tuesday the 12th of October, so get your entry in fast. If you're watching after that date, we have new competitions on our website every month, so be sure to check those out instead. The link is in the description. The promotion is in no way sponsored, endorsed or administered by or associated with Zoflora or YouTube. By entering, you agree to release Zoflora and YouTube from any liability related to this competition. Please read the video description for the full terms and conditions. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time for more expert home tips.